Welcome back to Reverse Mortgage Radio. This is Deb Nance, your reverse mortgage specialist. If you've got a reverse mortgage question for me, you can call me at 951-283-2983. That's 951-283-2983. You can also find me on Facebook at facebook.com/reverse.mortgage.page. What are the pros and cons of reverse mortgages as an option? So pros, we're going to start with those. There are so many pros with a reverse mortgage. We could spend the whole show talking about them, but here's some of my favorites, okay? So the first pro about a reverse mortgage as an option is the flexibility of the adjustable rate reverse mortgage. The fact that it is open-ended credit makes this loan so useful in dealing with curveballs that life throws at us. The fact that you can set up your reverse mortgage loan proceeds in various different forms, and I'm going to go over those right now. You can set up your reverse mortgage loan proceeds in a growing line of credit. Those are available loan funds that are not borrowed yet. The fact that the available line of credit grows over time at a rate equal to the interest rate on the loan plus 0.5% is unprecedented and one of the most important things to understand about a reverse mortgage. Yes, the line of credit gets larger over time. What a great way to be prepared for emergencies. If you've got questions about that, please do call me or get in touch with me on Facebook or call me, okay? Or another way you can use your reverse mortgage loan proceeds is in a lump sum. There are some limits to how much cash you can take the first 12 months of your reverse mortgage. But basically, you could take your lump sum to pay off other debts, maybe pay off some credit cards. You would be taking a lump sum if you had an existing mortgage you were going to pay off. We would use that lump sum to pay that off. When you do pay off that current mortgage, what you've done is you eliminated that monthly mortgage payment. So what would that do to your cash flow? What would that do to your quality of life? No mortgage payment. You could take a lump sum. I have a lot of clients that do this. They take a few $1,000s at closing just to beef up their checking and savings accounts, you know. Another option is to take your reverse mortgage loan proceeds in the form of tenure payments. That's tenure, like a tenured teacher when they have that lifetime security. So it has to do with lifetime. This is equal monthly payments to you, monthly for as long as you live in the home. So you cannot outlive the tenure payments as long as you remain in the home. And I say this every week, you stay current on your property obligations, okay? Your taxes, your homeowner's insurance, and association dues if you have that, okay? So those tenure payments will be direct deposited right into your checking account every month, okay? Those are considered loan proceeds. They are not considered income, so there's no income taxes due on those. You can also, a fourth way you can take your reverse mortgage proceeds are term payments. I've only had one client who's done this, but these are taking your loan proceeds in a fixed monthly payment for a specific term, a specific amount of time, maybe 10 years or 20 years. The only time I've ever used it is we had a client who had a terminal disease. The doctor told him he had like 3 years left to live. He got a reverse mortgage. His medications were extremely expensive, so he got his reverse mortgage to supplement, to get that monthly term payment. He took it for like 5 years because the doctors gave him 3. He figured he could outlive what the doctor said. He took term payments for 5 years, and that's how he was going to afford the medication for his situation. Now, the fifth way that you can take your reverse mortgage in is a very popular one. I call it potpourri. It's really kind of a mix-up or mash-up of the others. So a lot of my clients choose this. They'll take a lump sum at closing just to beef up their checking accounts, and then they'll parcel out the rest of the loan proceeds in that line of credit or monthly payments or a little bit of both, okay? Now, it's a really fun step for me when we get to that stage of the process and we're scheduling the closing, and I get to call my clients and say, so how do you want your money? How do you want your loan proceeds? And my reverse mortgage software will help us as we have that conversation. So my clients will say, well, Debbie, what if I take $5,000 cash at closing? Then what would my line of credit be? Or what would that do to my 10-year payment? So that pro right there, the pro of a reverse mortgage is the flexibility of this adjustable rate reverse mortgage. So I hope that if you have questions about reverse mortgages, you will call me at 951-283-2983. That's 951-283-2983. Thank you so much for tuning in today.